You asked, how to divide 742,500 by 2,750 using the long division method. 7 is too small. 74 is too small. 742 is too small. Use 7,425. 7,425 divided by 2,750 equals 2 times 2,750 equals 5,500. 7,425 minus 5,500 equals 1925. Bring down 0, making 19,250. 19,250 divided by 2,750 equals 7 times 2,750 equals 19,250. 19,250 minus 19,250 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 2,750 equals 0. 0 times 2,750 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 270.